second objective to study the protein structure prediction is to study the physiological system and manipulate according to your need. Okay, basically it is an engineering strategy in which by manipulating a protein inside a living organism, it may be either bacteria or algae or any other animal cellular system, plant cellular system. By manipulating the protein, you will be trying to manipulate the physiological, morphological and functional aspects of a particular organism. If you want to manipulate something, so you must know what it is first and how it can be regulated under your control. So if you want to control a protein, you must have a clear-cut structural idea. Only then you will be able to manipulate structurally according to your requirement. For this reason, you need to predict the protein structure. And with these objectives, so I think like you will be able to conclude why in general you are interested to predict the protein structure using computers or any other laboratory techniques. Now we'll move to the second question, where I want you to know what is protein structure first, which fundamentally is required in protein structure prediction studies. So as you know very well, your cell is a enclosed membrane bag, and inside it there is a nucleus. The nucleus is having a small fibrous material called genome or genetic material, so which is otherwise known as DNA. So this DNA synthesizes a molecule called mRNA. This mRNA is exported into the cytoplasm, where it is received by another molecule called ribosome, and this ribosome synthesizes another chain structure called polypeptide chain, so which is technically known as protein. This polypeptide chain is made up of amino acids which are interlinked by peptide bond. So as you know very well, so there are 20 amino acids plus 2 specialized amino acids. They together form one polypeptide chain. The order of amino acid in a polypeptide chain is obtained from codon information of mRNA. So this is the fundamental logic. So this order of amino acid determines uniqueness of the protein. So sequence uniqueness, with which you give a name to a particular protein, and this uniqueness gives structure, unique structure to the protein. So this unique structure in turn enable the protein to have particular specific function. So as you know very well, proteins are controlling A to Z functions in your body. Whether you want to talk, you want to walk, or you want to see, or you want to think, or you want to produce energy, for every physiological process you need protein in one way or another. So I'm not going to detail those implications of protein in your physiological system. That's not a core subject here. So what you should know, there is a polypeptide chain called protein present in the system, which is made up of 20 amino acids. The order of amino acid determines the uniqueness of the protein chain, and it is given name accordingly. and it attains a unique structure with which it is executing the function. Fine. So next thing, we are going to be a bit more specific in terms of protein structure. So what is protein structure? Basically, it is a cricket ball kind of structure in which there is an outer shell, inside which there would be a backbone built by a paper and fiber structures. So that's a general cricket ball structure. Likewise, a protein is also either a globular molecule or linear molecule, linear fibrous molecule constructed by an interior backbone and exterior or peripheral